Now, this saw has served me very well for many years and for many a convention. Killed a lot of demons, saved a lot of lives. I made this thing when I was like 16, and it's a Texas Chainsaw Massacre toy chainsaw, modified to have a handle in it with a push trigger. The pull chain is a keychain retractor thing, and it works well for a pull cord. Only issue is, it loves to eat the metal. And I love this thing. This thing's my baby. It's one of my crowning accomplishments. But sadly, like most everything, good things must come to an end, and sadly, that's me pushing the button. The electronics sadly do not work in this thing anymore. Nevertheless, I can't live without a working chainsaw, so I've undergone a much bigger, much more hands-on, as if you couldn't get any more hands-on on a project like this. I've decided to try and make the ultimate Evil Dead chainsaw. And so part of that means also kind of redoing other pieces of the costume. And one thing that always bugged me about the shirt I used, and here's the thing, no one else is going to notice this. If you do this costume, it's okay, you can just get a blue shirt. But if you're like messed up in the head like me, you're gonna worry about this kind of stuff. And one of the things that always bugged me was that there are no chest pockets on the shirt. So I found this shirt cheap on Amazon. I'm gonna destroy it, but while it's still intact, thought I might as well do a little Evil Dead 1 costume there. I look forward to showing the progress on the I was gonna say the 2.0. This isn't even the first one I did. The first one I did was when I was 14, and it looked horrible. Horrible. Yeah! This is the Mark II, so I look forward to showing you guys the Mark III. Hello, here's my Evil Dead 1 thrown together costume. I got this new shirt, and I'm gonna destroy it. So while it's in one piece, I thought I'd throw this thing together. I got red corduroy pants, not brown, but I got moccasins. I got these stupid looking little shoes. You just gotta throw this on and you go, man, I'm looking forward to a wonderful weekend with my friends and my girlfriend. Yeah. I just got my car tuned up. This thing should be working in top shape. We can't bury Shelly. She's a friend of ours. You bastards! Why are you torturing me like this? Why?